Welcome to Lulu's kitchen. I'm with my best friend, Ellie the Elephant.
Hi friends!
We're going to be decorating cakes today.
I'm so hungry I could eat a whole house. My favorite cake is vanilla cake.
My favourite cake is chocolate cake. But what are we going to decorate them with?
How about icing?
Great idea. Let's go to the sweet factory and get some icing.
Yay, I love the sweet factory. Let's go! Wow, this sweet factory is humongous!
But where has all the icing gone, Ellie?
I wonder what these buttons do. Oh look, here comes the icing.
Amazing. Let's get one of each colour.
Yellow, blue, red.
Quick, Ellie, press the stop button.
Phew, just in time.
Did you know icing is made from 3 ingredients? Milk, sugar, butter.
Yes, and you can also add vanilla extract and coloring.
That's true. Shall we get the rest of the colours now? Oh, I can hear them coming now.
We're back in Lulu's kitchen.
Ellie, you pick 3 colours and I will pick 3 colours. There are 6 different colours and 3 primary coloured icing.
And we have secondary colored icings. I'm taking yellow, green, and orange.
I'll pick blue, purple and red.
Let's get decorating.
Let's wash our hands, get ready and get started. We've got our aprons on. And now we're ready to start cooking.
Yes.
Something doesn't look quite right, Ellie.
Oopsie, it was the wrong way around.
It's looking good so far, Ellie.
I drew 3 of my most favorite flowers in the world. Marigolds.
I drew my favourite animals in the world, a hummingbird, a fish and a butterfly. Thanks so much for coming, Ellie.
Thanks, Lulu. I had fun.
Please do come back again so we can do some more cooking.
I will definitely be back. Be sure to follow us on social media. Fatima's baby shower cake is fit for a princess. Musa's cake has lots of cream and sprinkles. Luke's birthday cake is chocolatey, just like Lulu. Hashtag Lulu the Leopard.
I'm so hungry, Bobo.
That's because you didn't have any breakfast today. And breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
That's very true, Bobo. I know. I'm going to make myself an omelette.
That sounds delicious.
Hi. Let's look in my recipe book for omelette. Here we are, omelette recipe. I'll need 2 eggs, teaspoon of butter, salt and pepper. But where will I get the eggs? I know, let me pay a visit to the local farm. Hi, Mr. Chicken, can I borrow some of your eggs, please? Thanks so much, Mr. Chicken. Now we have all the ingredients. Let's get ready and get started. I've got my apron on Let's check if we have the ingredients. All ready now? Yay! I can't wait to get cooking! We have salt and pepper, butter, and 2 eggs from the farm. Make sure you get an adult to help with the next part because the stove is so hot. It looks so delicious! I can't wait to dig in.
Be sure to follow us on social media. Layla and Mummy are eating omelettes with raspberries. Here's Mike's delicious omelette at a restaurant. Daddy helped Renee make this beautiful omelette for breakfast. Hashtag Lulu the Leopard.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And make sure you like the video.